Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Gina Silas. Today, I'll be showing you how to make smoky party jollof rice. I made use of chicken. I washed the chicken. I seasoned it with salt, seasoning cube, bay leaf, curry powder, thyme, rosemary leave, ginger, garlic. Then I went ahead to cook it. I'll be using the meat stock to cook the rice. When the chicken was done, I went ahead to sieve it. Allow the water to drain for like 7 minutes. I'm using 5 kilo of chicken in this party jollof rice recipe. Then after, I added vegetable oil to my dried pan, allow it to preheat. Then I added salt, onion. Then I went ahead to fry my chicken to be golden brown. Do not allow your chicken to be too fried, because if it is too fried, it is going to be very dry, and that is not what we want for this recipe. So that the chicken can be crispy at the outside and also to be soft and tender inside. Ensure to flip the chicken so that both sides can be evenly fried, and do not allow the chicken to fry too long. Do not leave it unattended to. My chicken is properly fried. I remove it and I place it in a paper towel. The paper towel will help extract the excess oil from the chicken after frying. So this is how your chicken is supposed to look like, golden brown. This is my blended pepper mix. My blended pepper mix consists of Scotch bonnet peppers, tomato, onion, BAWA, also known as Shombo. I made use of this party pot to make the jollof rice. I added the oil I used in frying the chicken to the pot. I added onion. I added my tomato paste and I fried so as to remove the sour taste from the tomato paste. I added extra oil. I did not use margarine in cooking this jollof rice because the oil is enough. Kindly give this video a like, which is a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends, your families, your neighbors, your colleague. Recommend the YouTube channel to your people. This is festive period and we'll be making jollof rice, fried rice. Stay tuned because I'll be making different meals for this festive period. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so that you will not miss any video I upload. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell. Turn it on so that when I post new video, you will know that I have posted a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. After frying the tomato paste, I added my pepper mixture Then I stirred. I seasoned it with salt, seasoning cube, thyme, rosemary leaf, curry powder, Benny powder, and kitchen glory powder. If you want to get some of these spices I used in making this recipe, just go to the market and tell them you want to buy Benny, and you also tell them you want to also get kitchen glory, and you will get it. I also seasoned with nutmeg. After adding the spices, the seasoning cube, I ensured to stir very well so that everything can dissolve into the pepper mixture, which is my stew base for making the jollof rice. I added my meat stock off camera, allowed it to boil. I washed my rice so that it can be very clear. Then I added it to the stew mixture. This is what I said earlier, that I did not use margarine because the oil I use in making the rice is already enough. Margarine is oil also. I made use of 1 basket and half measurement of rice in cooking this jollof rice. That is this custard 4 kg container, the full one, and also half of the custard container. That is what I use in making this jollof rice recipe. I stirred, covered the pot, and allowed the rice to cook. If you have watched this video to this very point and you have not subscribed and you usually watch my video, please, what have I done to you? I want to grow on YouTube. Kindly subscribe. Share the video with your friends and families. In this channel, what I do here, I make African food and other meals. Turn on your notification bell so that when I post new video, you will be among those to know that I have posted a new video. Thank you so much. Most times, party jollof rice are usually cooked outdoors. But if you want to cook a small portion of jollof rice, please do it inside your house. These pots can take about 3 baskets, which is 3 pints of rice. It is used to cook large portions of jollof rice. If you want to cook a very large portion of party jollof rice and you don't have this type of pot, you can go and rent it for a token from those people that do party renters. And you can also ask your neighbors or people around where you can get the pot from without paying for it. Me, I took this pot from my church member that is also my neighbor. Thanks to her. Our jollof rice is ready. I made this jollof rice in August for my son's 2-year birthday. And see the time I'm uploading the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you for liking. Thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing the video, and thank you for recommending my YouTube channel to others. I really appreciate. Bye.